Unraveling the differences, machine learning, and deep learning explained. Welcome to Animated World. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, machine learning, ML, and deep learning, DL. These terms are often used interchangeably, but they represent distinct concepts within the field of AI. Join me as we explore the differences between AI, ML, and DL and understand their respective roles and applications. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence refers to the broader concept of developing intelligent machines that can simulate human-like intelligence. AI encompasses a range of techniques and technologies that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human cognitive abilities. AI systems aim to perceive, reason, learn, and make decisions in a manner similar to humans. Examples of AI applications include virtual assistants, autonomous vehicles, and smart recommendation systems. Machine learning, ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on enabling machines to learn from data and improve their performance without explicit programming. ML algorithms automatically learn and make predictions or decisions by analyzing large datasets. Instead of being explicitly programmed, these algorithms identify patterns, extract insights, and generalize from the provided data. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning are common approaches in ML. Deep learning, DL. Deep learning is a specialized branch of ML that involves artificial neural networks with multiple layers, deep neural networks. DL algorithms are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, allowing machines to process and analyze complex data. Deep neural networks excel at feature extraction, capturing hierarchical representations, and learning intricate patterns. DL has revolutionized fields such as computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Key differences. Scope. AI is the overarching concept that encompasses the development of intelligent systems. ML is a subset of AI that focuses on machines learning from data. DL is a subset of ML that uses deep neural networks to process complex data. Data dependency. AI can utilize various techniques beyond data analysis, such as rule-based systems. ML and DL heavily rely on data to learn patterns and make predictions. Complexity. ML algorithms require human feature engineering, where relevant features are manually extracted from data. DL algorithms can automatically learn intricate features from raw data, reducing the need for manual feature engineering. Performance and scale. DL algorithms with their deep neural networks can achieve higher performance on complex tasks when large amounts of data are available. ML algorithms may excel in cases with smaller datasets or when interpretability is crucial. Training requirements. DL models often require substantial computational resources and training time due to the complexity of deep neural networks. ML models can be trained with relatively fewer computational resources. Applications. AI applications. AI finds applications in various fields, including natural language processing, robotics, expert systems, and autonomous vehicles. ML applications. ML is utilized in recommendation systems, fraud detection, image recognition, predictive analytics, and personalized medicine. DL applications. DL excels in computer vision tasks like object detection and image classification, speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous driving. Conclusion: in this video, we explored the differences between I, machine learning, and deep learning. I is the broad concept of creating intelligent machines. ML is a subset of I that focuses on machines learning from data. DL is a specialized branch of ML that utilizes deep neural networks for complex tasks. Each of these concepts plays a vital role in advancing technology and has its own applications and considerations. If you found this video informative, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for joining me on this detailed exploration of I, ML, and DL.